Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this baby walker manufactured by Little Olive. Thanks for your purchase of this musical activity walker. Take the walker body and open the walker by pulling it. The walker can be adjusted at all the positions using the lock present at the bottom. Take the cushion seat and fix it by inserting the buttons in the slots as shown in the video. Fix the side locks from both the sides of the seat. Take the musical tray and use a screwdriver to open the cell cap and insert batteries. Fix all the 6 tires gently in the slots as shown in the video. Now take the musical panel and push it gently in the slots to firmly fix it in its position. Now this musical activity walker is ready for your little one. Kindly contact our customer support at WhatsApp 91028767747 in case of any issues.